How to submit a review using TripAdvisor Review Form. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can submit a review on TripAdvisor. So let's dive right in. Open up any browser and then head over to tripadvisor.com. Then you can see review option at the top. Tap on write to review and then choose what you want to review for. And here you can rate your experience. You can put in when did you go, who did you go with, and then you can share your experience. So give a title to a review, and then you can add some photos from your trip, and you can certify that this review is based on your own experience and then submit your review. So it's as simple as that, as you can see. So if you want review tips, you can also tap on review tips and then you can see what you want to put. So there you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.